Hello everybody, on today's episode of SG Outdoors, I'm going to be fishing on a budget. This morning I got up, I didn't want to go through a whole lot of hassle and pull out all my big kayaks and all my big fishing gear and everything. I just wanted to go fishing. So what I did was I pulled out my Heritage Featherlite Kayak, real light, no problem, just to load it in the truck and head out to the lake. So I made it to the lake. I've just got my little Zebco 33 with a Beetle spin. Hopefully we're going to catch some fish. We will see. Now I grew up fishing with a Zebco 33 and with a Beetle spin, and I caught a bunch of bass when I was a kid doing that. I mean, it's so much fun with all this small stuff, and I remember, you know, being so great, and it got me hooked on fishing. So okay, so I'm going to stick with the Zebco 33 today, and we're going to see what we can catch. Okay, I'll see you on the water. So since I left out of the house so fast this morning, I ran off and left the GoPro mount for my hat. So I'll just have to get creative on where I put my GoPro. Look at there. Caught me a little fish. Let me bring it on down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Look at that huge bass. That sucker is nice. Ooh, look at that. Boy, ain't he a pretty one? He's a pretty one. Straight up and down. That's a good old Sam Rayburn bass. He's gonna go up to be a big old bad boy one day. Big old boy. Alright, see you later, bud. Thank you for the fight. Whew. That was fun. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, let's give it a shot. We'll see how long that lasts. There's one. You come out to get that one. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh wow, look at that. That is a big old bass, y'all. Oh wow. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get in this boat. That was a big old bass. You're getting yourself dirty. Whew, that is a big old bass, y'all. Check him out. Caught him on that little Stanley Runt Ribbitt. Check him out. That's about a 3-pounder right there. That is fun. Fun, fun, fun. Whew. That is poor man fishing right there. You don't got to spend a lot of money on fancy gadgets and all that kind of stuff. You come out to the lake, do a little Beetle spin or a little Stanley Runt Ribbitt, something like that. Zebco 33. That little thing right there, about 25 bucks. And you can catch you some good bass. Thank you for the fight, man. Fun, fun, fun. All right. Man, it's fun to catch a big bass on a Zebco 33 with a light rod. I mean, it's like catching a whale. That is fun. I mean, with a Zebco, you just barely flick it and it flies a long way. So you gotta watch out. You can get in the limbs really quick because you don't know your own strength. It don't take much of anything just to toss it way over there. There's another. Oh, he yanked him out of the water. Boy, he's an acrobat. Look at him. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh man, this is so much fun. This is awesome. Loving this. Woo, woo. Open your mouth, bro. Open your mouth. I'll get you loose. There we go. There's another one. Fun little old Sam Rayburn bass. Alright, hold on, buddy. Man, I'm soaking wet. All these fish splashing me. That was fun. That's the way you do it right there. I got one. Oh, he got off. I had that drag set too loose. Wait, he's still on there. He's still on there. He's still on there, y'all. Oh, look at that. I caught a buffalo. It's a buffalo. Cool. Okay, I'll get y'all. Check that out. That is a Sam Rayburn buffalo. Or drum, whatever you call them. I'm not sure what the difference is. But pretty cool little fish right there. All right. Thank you for the fight, bro. Let's see. Get him out of here. Okay. Caught him on that Stanley Runt Ribbitt. It's on a Roadrunner head. You know, it's got the drop spinner on there. That works really good for catching bass, whatever. Lots of things love that stuff. A lot of fish like to eat small things. Even big bass will eat small stuff. Just as a little finger snack or something. But I've caught so many fish off of a little Roadrunner. But that Stanley Runt Ribbitt, it's got those little feet right there. And those make a lot of action in the water. They just do a lot of kicking. Plus that little drop, that little spoon, little drop spoon right there. That thing wiggles, flashes, and lots of things just love to gobble that up. Here's one. Hey! Oh! He's a little bit better size than that last one. Come on in here, buddy. Oh! He's coming in at me. Come on, buddy. Yes. Yes. way you do that. Look at that bad boy. Let me get my hands wet. See? Check him out. That's a cool little old Sam Rayburn bass. Oh. Cool little old Sam Rayburn bass right there. Alright, buddy. You can go on back. You can go on back. Thanks for playing. That is all you have to do to load your kayak. It's just super simple. With something this light and short, I mean, you can just go fishing with no problem. Okay, so that's about it for today. I've had a great time fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I caught a lot of good fish, and I didn't spend a whole lot of money doing it. It's just, you can fish on a budget out of a kayak, and you can get where these bass boats can't get sometimes. Here's the thing, this thing's going to cost around $500 or so, but you can buy them at Walmart for, you know, $200, something like that. They're not as stable as this one, and they're not going to have good rod holders and stuff like that like this one does, but 500 bucks, you know, just think about it. All these big bass fishermen, they're going to spend 20, 30, 50, $90,000 on a bass boat, and then $200, $300 on rods and reels, you know, just one, and then they're going to have 5 or 6 of them. So they put a lot of money into catching a bass. Well, you can buy this for $500. You can buy that rod and reel there for 25 bucks with a Beetle spin and a Stanley Runt Ribbitt, and you can go to town. You can catch fish. You see that good sized bass I caught? I didn't spend any money doing it. I mean, you can catch fish on a budget and have a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day.